Ron. Ron is a 1998 Honda Accord. He costs $300, and he's the daily driver of a friend of mine. How do I get out?
So you're gonna have to plug in the door handle.
So I have to plug this in like that, and then
pull it. There it is.
That's some security safety right there. Can you buy a Honda for $300 and actually get your money's worth? Let's find out. So you're 16, you got no money for a car, and you're wondering, can I get a car for $300? Well, I'm gonna prove to you today that yes. Yes, you can. Ron is a $300 1998 Honda Accord. Okay, can't get her to break loose with that. We did our best. You might also notice this steering wheel, which is quite possibly off of a video game. Not sure. We don't have much for sound deadening because the entire rear of the car has been removed. Ron doesn't have a rear bumper. Ron has lots of dents. He's kind of an abused puppy. If Ron were an animal, he'd likely be on a Sarah McLachlan commercial looking for rescue, or at least euthanasia. But for now, we'll enjoy Ron for what he does best. Making noise! The funny thing about Ron is that I really like Ron. This steering wheel is legitimately the goofiest thing I think I've ever driven. And I'm putting a lot of faith in a 16-year-old who gave me this car that this steering wheel is actually gonna remain intact on the car. Noah, how confident should I be in Ron's steering wheel?
Not super, but
Ron's pretty easy to rev match.
how do you like the short shifter?
Actually, the short shifter is great. So tell me about this short shifter.
So essentially in Honda transmissions, typically it's shifted by cables, and when you raise the pivot point of the cable, it shortens the throw.
I'm sorry, what?
So what I did was I went to Home Depot, bought a piece of metal, drilled a couple holes in it, and just raised to where the pivot point is, and that shortened the throw.
All right.
Easy as that. $2 mod for great feel.
This is the most like non-incognito car I think I've driven in a long time. And that's saying something because I've driven a lot of ridiculous cars in the last 12 months. Yet I feel more pulloverable in Ron than I feel in anything I've driven. The odometer of this Accord reads 278,675. 675, of course, being an exclusive McLaren, which this is not. So, the fact that it's lived this long is a testament to Honda and their build quality. All right, do we have some vent fans that we can put up on the window?
Yeah, it only works on full blast.
Only works on full blast.
It's on defrost right now.
Gotcha. I see you've equipped Ron with some pretty intense fog lights, or at least rally lights. Tell me about why that might be.
Well, the headlights are terrible, and I wanted people to see me just as much as I wanted to be able to see. And in snowstorms and stuff, it actually does a pretty good job. They're Harbor Freight lights, $40. There used to be another set, but they fell off on the highway, so.
I'm really into this rev matching on this car. Honda motors are butter, man.
Yeah.
What are we on for tires?
We are on Cooper's $60 a piece snow tires up front and bald whatever Bridgestones in the rear.
So I should be ready for oversteer.
You should be ready. Optimistic 80 mile an hour reading.
be out filming a new 911. It rained, not great weather, and I'm glad because I would rather be driving Ron. So, if the question is, can you buy a reasonable car for $300? The answer is certainly not. But if you like pain and just obnoxious stuff, and maybe you can skate by with a friend at an inspection station, you can buy this car. Oh, that poor clutch.
Yeah.
Thank you, Noah, for a memorable drive in your ridiculous Honda. Don't forget to respect the drive, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you are going to be in the Charlotte area from March 1st through the 12th, so will I. So leave me a message below. Maybe we'll meet up, do some car stuff. And to close the door and Ron, I guess that's what I do. Okay. I like your Hello Kitty lanyard as well. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Home Depot, $6.
Does Ron have ABS?
Ron has no traction control or ABS.
That would have been a great question for me to ask you like a while ago.